In this video, we will see how to use erase feature in ArcGIS Pro. Here we have two layers. One is input layer of a shape of an apple, and another one is erase feature. We want to erase this part of the apple shape. To do that, go to Analysis and click on Tools. Under the Toolboxes tab, expand Analysis Tools and then Overlay. Here you will find the erase tool. Click on that. Now in the input feature tool drop down, we will select our input image, that is shape of an apple, and erase feature, that is the feature by which we want to erase our input feature. So select the erase feature. If you want, you can rename the output feature class, but for the time being we can use this default name. Now let's click on Run. The processing is done. Now if we remove the erase and input, we can see that this part of the apple shape is removed. This is very important tool in geoprocessing tasks. Often you will need that. You can do a lot of stuff with this tool. Thanks for watching.